Hello and welcome to Inventiva India Crucial Hour Bulletin News, where we give you the insightful news from every corner of India and world from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So without wasting any minute, let's start the bulletin news with some main highlights of the day. Petrol diesel prices today, no revision in fuel rates on January 31st. Once again, the fuel rates are static across India. The petrol and diesel prices remain stable in the domestic market on January 31st. The state-run oil companies have not revised the rates for nearly 3 months now. Economic survey to be tabled today. The economic survey is all set to be tabled by Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Monday. The economic survey is tabled in Parliament ahead of the Union budget. Sensex Nifty open in green, top stocks in focus. NSE Nifty 50 index climbed 1.24% to 17,313.6 by 0351 GMT, while the S&P BSE Sensex rose 1.3%. Gold silver prices today, precious metal record hike on MCX. On Monday, January 31st, both gold and silver are trading on the higher side of the Multi-Commodity Exchange or MCX. Witnessing a marginal hike of Rs 36 or 0.08%, gold futures maturing on April 5, 2022 are retailing at Rs 47,630 per 10 grams on the MCX. Manufacturing outlook remains in expansion mode for Q3, FI's SCCI survey says. According to the survey, the manufacturing outlook seems to have improved for the sector in Q3 after some revival in the first half of 2021 and 22. Bombay High Court questions state order rejecting GST refund claimed by Colgate. The Bombay High Court set aside on the order by the Deputy Commissioner of State Tax against Colgate Global as the authority had rejected the application for refund without recording any reasons. Will Budget 2022 heal India's sagging education system? While the global average of schools closures were under 35 weeks, it was 73 weeks in India till the end of September 2021. Union Budget 2022. What healthcare, tourism and other sectors expect from the government? All sectors of industry have high hopes for this year Union Budget due to prevailing COVID-19 pandemic situation. Initial registration for HIB visas for fiscal year 2023 to start from March 1st. The initial registration of HIB visas for fiscal year 2023 would begin from March 1st till March 18, 2022, US Citizenship and Immigration Service has said. Economic Survey 2022 updates. India received $48 billion in FDI in first 7 months of FY22, says President Kovind. Budget 2022 Economic Survey of India. The Economic Survey 2022 is expected to project the GDP growth at around 9% for the next fiscal year or FY23. The survey is authored by the team led by Chief Economic Advisor Dr. V. Anant Nageswaram. Tata Motors stock rises 2% ahead of Q3 earnings. Here what to expect. The large cap stock touched an arbitrary high of Rs 507, rising 1.93% against the previous close of Rs 497.40 on BSE. PM Modi addresses media ahead of the budget session. Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave a brief addresses to the media and urged all floor leaders, including the opposition, to go for debate with good intentions. AGS Transact Technologies make flat market debut, stock list at Rs 176. Shares of AGS Transact Technologies listed at Rs 176 on BSE compared to the issue price of Rs 175. Budget 2022. Automobile industries seek rationalization of rates and other benefits. Unlike Budget 2021, this time the government may use the opportunity to outline reforms focusing on the long-term strategy for the automobile sector, which surely can lead to a significant increase in the demand for vehicle in all segments. Economic Survey tabled. Government projects 9.2% GDP growth in FY22. The Economic Survey has predicted 8 to 8.5% gross domestic product GDP growth in FY23. For FY22, GDP growth has been projected at 9.2%. Airtel acquires around 25% stake in SDWAN start by Level Networks. Telecom giant Bharti Airtel has announced an agreement to acquire around 25% equity in Bangalore-based technology startup Level Networks. LIC raised stakes in these BSE 500 firms in December quarter. Do you own any? Data available with the corporate database ACE Equity showed LIC upped stakes in more than 70 companies from the BSE 500 index. COVID-19, scientists on alert over rising cases of BA2. Scientists are now tracking a rise in cases caused by Omicron cousin BA2, which is starting to outcompete BA1 in part of Europe and Asia. So this much for today's Crucial Hour Bulletin News, where we present you the news from every corner of the nation. Today I am Ronak Soni and I'll come back again tomorrow, same time, same place with another daily bulletin. Till then, do not forget to hit the like button, share your views in the comment section below, and click on the subscribe button to get the daily insightful news coverage, and keep watching Inventiva India.